Hey, it's Kat, and today I'm here to share with you something I'm actually been super excited to get because I absolutely love science, and I'm so happy to be able to share something that's one of my passions with you. So this is actually a set of 16 different science posters. They are meant for the classroom. These can be pretty much any age. So you can find a science teacher in an elementary school and you can find these on their wall, or middle school or high school. And let me tell you what I'm loving about these before I share them. One, not only do I like the size, but I love the way that they are illustrated. They are illustrated in a manner that's showing you depth, but the way they are illustrated is going to catch a child's eye. It's going to catch their attention. We're gone from the days of having some of those illustrations on the walls that were just not even relevant anymore, or people get tired of seeing because they're seeing the same thing in after classroom year after year, and they kind of go blind to them because they just don't even notice them anymore. These are going to catch their attention, and when you catch their attention, you're going to have them, and they're going to go up and read them because as they're looking at the graphics on them, they're going to be paying attention to the words and they're going to do it. So if you can't tell, if you actually look over my wall here, you can see I love science graphics. So this is my laboratory picture I've had since I was a laboratory professional so many years ago, and it just goes everywhere with me. But I wanted to go ahead and put this one on the top because I wanted to show you how this is relevant. So this one's about science in your phone. So it talks about all the different, anywhere from components to the technology and how it overlaps in here. Again, very understandable, very readable, very relevant, so many good things that could be applied to so many different ages, so many different learning levels, being able to teach them in a way that aligns with national standards at the same time of making it easy and understandable. But here is the one about volcanoes. These posters are all focused on Earth and space science. Another thing I love about these, at the bottom of each one, you're going to find a cause and effect. But for me, I love how they look at this cause and effect. They're saying what happened, what caused it. So what caused this to build up? So for this one, a tsunami. What caused the tsunami, what happened when the tsunami occurred, but also how are scientists using what they learned from that event to help prevent it in the future and learn more about it. It's the whole cycle. We have the water cycle, and yes, I'm going to sit here and go through all these. I'm sorry, you can fast forward. You have the sun, you have the carbon cycle. As a lab geek and scientist, by the way, this is one of my favorite cycles. All right, this one is going to go into the rock cycle, which goes right along with a lot of the learning from the carbon cycle. And here's something fun that I learned about this. You see these? Guess what's not in here? AI. This was done by hand with an illustrator. No, this isn't no chat GPT stuff right down here. This is true artwork. The moon, and we have renewable energy. Again, so relevant for today and not back in the 1980s and 90s. All right, I love my 80s and 90s. I am Gen X, but I'm just telling you, the solar system. And then we have plate tectonics, which we all need to know about because of how the earth shifts and moves underneath where we can't see what's going on. Non-renewable energy, so that would be an amazing lesson going from renewable energy and non-renewable. And then we have the Earth's atmospheres and the earthquakes, which would be amazing. There we go with your learning about your volcanoes and then your tsunamis and the earth structure. And then also your hurricanes and tornadoes. You're talking so much about the weather effects as well. I'm just so impressed. I cannot wait to be blessing our middle school science teachers with these. And so in Powell County, Kentucky, these will be on the walls of Powell County Middle School's science departments this coming fall. So thank you again. I hope I was able to give you some good information. Again, these are 11 by 17. They are on a laminated kind of paper here so that you will be able to take them up, put them down, restick them, move them, whatever you need to do. They made them these size because it fits on the normal walls in a schoolroom well. Thank you. These are absolutely beautiful, relevant. I love this kind of stuff. I just love learning and helping our youth learn, and I want them excited about this stuff because this is our planet. They need to know about it. So they need to help take care of it. Have a great day.